So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find mobile homes for sale here on Redfin. So once Redfin is opened up, I want you to go ahead and type in your location. I'll use Scottsdale for this example and then press on search. Now, if you're looking specifically for mobile homes, I want you to go to the top left to where it says home type right here and make sure that mobile is selected. So once that is selected right here, you can go ahead and press on done. I'll actually remove the outline right here to give me a little bit more in regards to work with here. So you can go ahead and find different listings that are for sale in regards to mobile homes. You can also go to the top here to where it says filters. Scroll down to the bottom to where it says home type right here. Make sure that mobile is selected. So once again, if it's not selected, you see everything. If you select it, it then, I guess, makes your search a little bit smaller. And you can go ahead and press on see homes this way. And these are mobile home listings for sale through Redfin. So very simple, very straightforward, and I hope this video helps.